Welcome to the channel Cars and Bikes World. Today we are exploring about Honda Ny1 2025 model. The 2025 Honda Ny1 is an all-electric compact SUV that exemplifies Honda's commitment to electrification, offering a blend of performance, comfort, and advanced technology. Built on the newly developed Ny1 architecture F platform, this front-wheel drive vehicle is powered by a 150 kilowatts, 201 horsepower, electric motor, delivering 310 Newton-meters, 229 pounds-to-feet, of torque. This configuration enables the Ny1 to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in approximately 7.6 seconds, reaching a top speed of 160 km per hour, 99 miles per hour. The Ny1 is equipped with a 68.8 kWh lithium-ion battery, providing a WLTP-rated range of up to 412 km, 256 miles, on a single charge. Charging options include an 11 kW AC onboard charger, which can fully charge the battery in about 6 hours, and DC fast charging capability up to 77 kilowatts, allowing for a 10 to 80% charge in approximately 45 minutes. The exterior design of the Ny1 features a short front overhang, large wheels, and a wide track, creating a bold and sophisticated aesthetic. Distinctive white H badges and a new typeface spelling out Honda on the tailgate introduce a fresh electric identity for the brand. Inside, the Ny1 sets new benchmarks for quality, space, and comfort. The cabin offers a relaxing ambience with soft lighting and revised seat designs that provide increased padding and support. A low dashboard and expansive windows ensure clear visibility. The new center console features a simple layout with easily accessible buttons, multiple storage options, and wireless charging. Dominating the dashboard is a large 15.1-inch touchscreen that provides access to infotainment menus via a new zoned interface designed exclusively for the new model. Along with a 10.25-inch digital instrument panel, the screen epitomizes the vehicle's clean and uncluttered interior design approach. In terms of safety, the Ny1 is equipped with multiple airbags, including front, side, rear, and head airbag systems. Advanced driver assistance systems such as collision mitigation braking system, collision mitigation throttle control, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist system, road departure mitigation, traffic sign recognition system, and high beam assist contribute to a secure driving experience. As for pricing, the Honda Ny1 is expected to start at approximately PKR 9,733,500 in Pakistan. In summary, the 2025 Honda Ny1 combines efficient electric performance, innovative design, and advanced technology, positioning itself as a compelling choice in the compact electric SUV market.